welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's a brand new weekly vlog. Yes. All right, so today is Monday. It is the 1st of July, so it's a brand new weekly vlog, but it's also the start of a brand new month. So today I had jury duty, which is why I am dressed up. So I'm just getting home. We've been prepping some food. I did not get a chance to turn on the camera. It was just a lot going on. I am picked, so that means I have to go back tomorrow. Hopefully my case will be over tomorrow and I can just kind of get back into my regular, schedule of stuff, of work, and, walk in and, do my norm. But we shall see. So they're thinking Wednesday, but we're hoping for Tuesday. Everything gets resolved by Tuesday. But in the meantime, in between time, right now we're just kind of cooking some food. So we seasoned some chicken, some regular chicken breast. My husband went ahead and made that, so just kind of pan-seared. And usually he does this every single week. Usually it's a pot of rice and his seared, pan-fried, pan-seared, sauteed, whatever, chicken breast. So we're actually going to have this tonight. I took out some thin pork chops that I had gotten from the store, but they were not smelling too good. Yeah, so I wasn't too impressed, and my husband definitely was not impressed. So we just went ahead and ended up having to toss it, which is a loss, but because it's a protein for the week. But it's unfortunate, but it just didn't smell that great. So we just went ahead and let that go. But I do have some rice cooking. I got this little Goya box of yellow rice with red beans. So we're gonna have this to go along with that chicken. I do still have a little bit of salad in there as well, but it is just a little bit. I'm not even sure if it's really that great, but we're gonna just work with whatever it is that we have. And then also my girlfriend gave me some crabs. So she actually got some crabs the other day. She still had about 4 crabs and some little claws left. So they're like big jumbo crabs, so she let me have them. So right now I'm just kind of steaming them to kind of, just warm them up. I went ahead and took off the shell. You guys already know hubby is allergic, definitely allergic. So I just went ahead and took off the shell and kind of cleaned them as best I could. That way it's already in the trash can. I don't have to worry about it laying around anywhere like I would if I was going to, hang out and pick crabs with friends or going to like a restaurant to kind of, break down crabs. But yeah, that makes this a lot easier just to go ahead and steam really quickly, which is, mind you, why we made our regular food first and then the crabs later. That way I can actually come over here and do a thorough cleaning. But let me go ahead and show you guys what everything looks like. Alrighty guys, so here in the back is that pot of rice. It should be finishing up here pretty soon. My husband is actually boiling some eggs so that he can have some, like little snacks and stuff on his, as he's riding around town in the company car, just having a good old time. And then here are the crabs. Like I mentioned, I did go ahead and take off their tops and everything else like that. So I'm just going ahead and kind of basically steaming them to just warm them up. That's basically all I'm doing. But I really wanted to make sure I cleaned them. And by the looks of the mustard, it looks like the steaming is pretty much almost done. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of turn that off. They should be finished. And then again, like I said, I can kind of give this a thorough clean, but everything I've just kept separated. Same thing with the chicken and everything else like that. We've just been keeping everything separated. And then over here, I actually have like a little mat here that the crabs were sitting on in the fridge. I'm going to clean out, the fridge and all that good stuff, because we don't want any cross contamination, but I will have mine right here so it could just stay on the mat and not, make a total mess. And I'll have the trash can nearby. But I did go ahead and make my iced coffee. I actually should have gotten a coffee while I was at jury duty today because I had such a headache. But not tomorrow, because I will definitely be getting a coffee. I passed a Dunkin' Donuts. I can walk to the Starbucks. I'm getting a coffee when I go to lunch tomorrow. That's definitely happening because I had a headache towards the end of the day, and we did not get out until after 5 o'clock is when they finally finished with day 1. So yeah. Woo, talk about tired. But anyway, water cup for the week is my little lilac or kind of lavendery colored water cup. Did really good with my water today, refilled it. I took an extra bottle of water with me, which is perfect. But yeah, that is about it for right now. So let me go ahead and get my plates and everything together and I will join you here in just a sec. All right, guys, so here I am. Crabs. As you can see, I already took off like the main shells and I had some extra claws and stuff like that, but I'm just gonna have them on this big old platter here. And I should have got a little fork, but yeah, I have the little rice and beans here on the side. for bubbles, I'm actually doing a sun-kissed orange, 0 sugar. And if you guys see hubby over here, you already know, allergic to shellfish. So he's gonna go ahead and just, save his own life and stay over there to eat his dinner for the day, his chicken. And of course my iced coffee that I made when I got in, which is giving me so much life right now because I was so tired. And of course my water cup for today. So I am about to chow down, eat my little crabs, clean, like deep clean everything, which is why I usually don't have too much seafood, in my regular diet besides regular, like fish or salmon or something like that. But yeah. So this is a treat for me. I'm so happy my girlfriend thought of me when she had, all these extra crabs. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna chow down. I deserve it. I had a long, and I mean long day from 8 a.m. to like 5:30, like long day sitting in that daggone courtroom listening to everything and everything, any and everything. Good grief. So yes, I'm gonna have me some crabs and rejoice and, probably clean, like I said, just kind of deep clean up a little bit around here. And I gotta be right back over there tomorrow, 9 a.m. So I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on my channel. You guys take care. Bye. You guys, I was so hungry coming back from jury duty today. I literally started eating and didn't even record. I am so sorry. But I'm having leftovers. The rice and beans that I made yesterday and then that chicken that my husband made pan fried. I got an iced coffee from Dunkin'. It is sugar. I didn't put any sugar or anything in it. It was just like plain. I did get 3 coconut shots in there, but I can hardly taste it. So honestly, it didn't even taste like coconut, which is kind of sad. But yeah, I just added in my sugar-free creamer when I got home. And then I have a little bit of leftover tzatziki sauce and some hummus, red pepper hummus. And then we have these little garlic and herb pita chips that I'm using to kind of dip with it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I am exhausted. Yeah, you can say it. Yep. So I'm about to finish up this little meal here and I will see you all tomorrow. Same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Take care. Hey guys, alrighty, so today is actually Thursday. It is the 4th of July, 91 degrees, guys. It is pretty warm outside. I actually went for a walk. I showed you guys in an earlier clip this morning. It was so good. I did a little over 4 miles. It was so great. I did like almost about 10,000 steps. So that was really good. But I just wanted to show you guys the food. Now, yesterday, you guys did not get a clip or anything from me for Wednesday because it was my third and last day of jury duty. Thank God. But because we were in jury deliberations, they actually have us turn off our phones and then they actually take our phones and every electronic we have and they lock it up in the courtroom while we are in the jury room. So yesterday, the judge was very nice. He actually ordered all of us pizza. It was just plain cheese, so don't get too excited. It wasn't that great, but I ended up having 2 slices of pizza. When did we finally actually do deliberations? I want to say it was about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So about 12:30, 1 o'clock, we actually had pizza. So that's what I broke my fast with yesterday. Pizza and Diet Coke. But today is Thursday. I went for a walk this morning. I cleaned up around the house, which was great. I really needed to get that taken care of. But my husband actually made dinner for us for today and tomorrow, which is great. And as per usual, his pot of rice, you guys already know, his, chicken breast that he usually makes. And he actually made fajitas. So we have the green and the yellow and the red peppers, onions. And then in here, it's just kind of like little strips of beef that he just kind of seasoned up. And we didn't actually marinate it. He just kind of let it defrost, season up, and then he just made those. So that's what we have for today. So that's what I'll be breaking my fast with. As you can see, it's a little after 4 o'clock. But yeah, that's pretty much how my week has gone so far. So Monday, went in for, my jury duty, got picked. I was there Tuesday, and then Wednesday, today is Thursday. We had the day off since it is technically the federal holiday. Tomorrow I'll go in for 1 day of work this entire week. And then that's it. Usually I have my nephew, but I will not have him tomorrow since I think his dad is off, so he'll be taking care of him, which is great. So yay! So I have a nephew-free day. It's just kind of sad, but I did see him on FaceTime today, so it was really nice. Other than that, so this particular Saturday, we're going to visit with my dad, and usually whenever we get down there, we, help out around the house, mow the grass, all that good stuff. And then we actually have a surprise graduation party for my sister-in-law, Lucy. She is graduating with her master's from the University of Virginia, and we were just so proud of her. So we will have that at 3:00 on Saturday. So we're going to go there, and then more than likely, I'll probably break my fast there. Because I'm sure they'll have a really nice spread for her. But yeah, that is what we have coming up this week. So tomorrow, another day of one day of work. A 1-day work week, and then Saturday the actual visit with my father, and then the family affair. So that's what we have. But just wanted to show you guys the food that we made today, or that my hubby made today. I'm gonna make me a plate and have me a good old fajita. So happy about that. But I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Take care, guys. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. All right, we finally made it. It's Friday. So we have food that's not from a store. We actually have food that we prepared. So I am having, as you guys saw in that earlier clip, a fajita. So my husband made that fajita meat, which is like steak. And then basically he did onions and peppers separately. So I pretty much added that to a tortilla that I just kind of slightly pan fried with a little bit of cheddar cheese. And then on top of that, I actually added on some mixed greens, because I definitely need some more greens in the diet, clearly. A little bit of sour cream, and then a little bit of salsa. And the salsa is the same one that I was using for that taco salad, which is the Newman's Own mango salsa. And it actually has a nice little sweetness to it, and it really kind of ramps up the food, which I love. On the side, because it is super hot today, like right now it says it's 95, but it feels like it's over 100 outside. It is really hot. I'm just gonna have some cucumbers on the side, because I honestly was thinking of just making 2 fajitas, but then I was like, with all the heat, I don't like to be super full or feel super heavy after a meal. It's just me, that's just how I operate. So I'm just like, you know what, I think just 1 fajita and some cucumbers sliced up on the side should be perfect, and that should hopefully hold me until tomorrow. Now, tomorrow is Saturday, and we're going to visit with my dad. And as I mentioned prior in another, yesterday's clip, matter of fact, we're going to a surprise graduation party. So there's going to be plenty of food and stuff there. So I'm just going to hold off until, 3:00 when that, soiree starts, and probably just break my fast there. But yep, I think that's pretty much it for today. We're finally home. Right now it is 3:57 in the afternoon, so we're actually home a little early, which is pretty nice for a Friday. But there wasn't many people on the road, which was great because of the holiday, since it is the day after the 4th of July holiday, so that was nice. But we're home, we're safe. I literally closed up every nook and cranny I could because it is super hot. I don't even have the light on in here in the kitchen. So we're definitely just, the ACs are pumping. So we're just about to sit in here and enjoy our AC and eat our little food for the most part. And that's it. So for bubbles, I do have a Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. I made my iced coffee. Usually Fridays is coffee Fridays, but today we just wanted to focus on getting home. It's too hot. And then I have my water cup that I'm refilling today as well. So that's pretty much it. But I will see you all tomorrow. Hopefully I can get some really nice clips, you know, with everyone's permission. And yeah, and I can just kind of post that here. But I hope you guys are having a great one. Thank goodness it's Friday. Relax, enjoy on me. Relax, okay? Enjoy your evening. And I will see you all tomorrow. Same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, it's happy Sunday. Today is the 7th. So Sunday the 7th around 3:35. Just getting in and I'm making a little bit of noodle ramen soup. Hubby is not feeling his best today, so I already know what that means. If he's getting sick, more than likely I'm probably gonna get sick myself. But I'm just gonna make something really quick and easy today since we didn't really make anything. The Hubs did make some turkey bacon. And I think he had eggs this morning, so I have a couple pieces of turkey bacon that I can use, his little Dayquil over here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just finish let these noodles boil a little bit and toss it in there, and yeah, that'll be my dinner for today. I'm so tired. Actually, I do have some cucumbers, so some chopped up cucumbers or cut up cucumbers, sliced cucumbers is what it is. And I'm gonna incorporate with my meal. It's not gonna be in my hot soup, but I'm definitely gonna have something because yeah, I gotta keep up my strength as well. This is my first day, my first full week back from after jury duty. So yeah, I need to make sure I'm on top of everything. But I will see you all tomorrow for the start of a brand new weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. You guys take care and have a great one. Bye.